journey's just begun. Four bright minds came together under the summer sun. They built a testing drone, few sensors deep and true. With DVL and UGPS, they found a way to break through. UGPS and DVL, they traveled side by side. It was autonomy in motion, what an underwater ride. What a summer!
Here at Waterlink you will be working with incredibly smart people in a very young and energetic environment.
I never expected to learn so much about project management and technical problem solving as I did here at Waterlink.
Yeah, they solved the complex systems. Piece by piece they learned, took on the real world challenge, and their passion burned. From problems into pathway solutions in their hands. They built the blocks for future tech across the ocean sands.
Here at Waterlink, you really get to work in an inclusive and exciting environment.
The combination of theoretical and practical work here at Waterlink is truly unique.
Triumph at Waterlink, yeah. Teamwork was the heartbeat, together they were strong. With every error vanished, they knew they all belonged. From ROV missions to game nights in the sun, this internship was more than work. It was learning, growth, and fun. What a summer at Waterlink. Oh, what a journey.
Here at Waterlink you will work on a project that is very valuable for the company and will be used long after you leave.
You get hands-on experience working with great engineers.
Now they look ahead, career shining bright. What they've built this summer will guide them to new heights. At Waterlink, the future's clear for those who dare to see. Come join us in the journey and unlock what you can be.